Hi guys, how are you doing? You can see my screen. There is a spinner wheel. This is the typical symbolic wheel of Voyager. So this is a typical failure that I am going to show you, and later on I will show you my solution how to come out of this problem. This problem happens when you move from your development machine to your production machine, especially from maybe your Windows desktop or laptop to a VPS server. This is one of the symptoms or failures that happen and need to be troubleshooted by an expert. So once I troubleshoot, I will get back to you with a solution. First of all, I want to capture the symptom, so that's why I'm showing you this symptom. It's just a hang. You see, I can click the dashboard, nothing happens. Only the screen is moving around. I cannot even log out. So I have troubleshooted the issue. So the issue lies here. Can you see this picture here? And my mouse? On the left side is my development machine, and on my right side is the Linux server, the VPS machine, and you can see here that the owner is root. Can you see that? But in some places we have www-data. So the resolution for this is you have to make the owner to be fully www-data. Once you've done that, everything becomes normal and the hang up of the Voyager goes off and we are able to see the admin screen in full. So I will show you the admin screen now. Can you see the admin screen? It's so good, right? So for example, I got the orders, products, categories, pages, tools, dashboard. Now I can log out everything. I can go to my admin profile, everything. So I am able to do it, dashboard. And you can see here, tools, bread, everything works good, right? So this is the secret of troubleshooting and how you rectify it as a part of tips and tricks to the development community. So remember to change the ownership to www-data. The command I will show you soon how to achieve that. So this is the first tips that I am giving. Like I mentioned to you before, how do you change to www-data as user? You can do this sudo chown -r www-data :www-data and followed by /var/www. This is standard for Ubuntu or any Linux platforms, followed by where the server or the Laravel server is residing. For me, it's BE server, which is backend server. And once you did that, try to see if Voyager is able to restore. If it is unable to restore, then you have another tips which I am giving you as a bonus tip. Try to go to lower versions of Laravel like Laravel 6. So this will help you a lot to resolve this issue of hanging, what I can call it, hanging wheel of Laravel Voyager, which is a blank screen. Now for my case, I try to do both of these options, so I am finally able to get the screen in place. As you can see that all my products list has come in and I'm able to log in, log out. You can see I'm able to log in, log out. I will log in again. This is my email ID. You can contact me by email ID for any of your requirements. I'm able to do full projects as well. So let's log in. Once you log in, you can see everything comes in. Coupons, everything comes in. So that's it guys for the tips and tricks. Hope to meet you in another tips and tricks. Have a good day. Bye bye.